As I walk through the valley with my ladder and flex, I'm the realest nigga in it, I just happen to rap. When they all thought we was finished, they was laughing at that. So I went and bought me a dawn and flipped that.
What's up, guys? So we honestly switched up the channel a little bit. We did fishing and stuff like that, but now, I mean, this will give you a little hint of what we're doing. We're gonna be working on cars like a lot. And so I have a shed that used to be a party shed, and we're gonna change it into a little workshop. So not only are you guys gonna see all these cars changing, you're gonna see the workshop changing. So first mod that we're gonna do the workshop, we need some lighting to make it look good. This is what we're thinking. We don't know if we need to get extension cords or whatnot, but we're gonna get 4 for one room, and then later on, we're just gonna work on one bay. We're gonna have 2 bays in there for each of our cars. And then right now, we're just trying to figure out lighting. We'll hit you guys back when we buy everything and get everything, so. There you go. So, 92 bucks about to go down the drain. I'm just kidding. It's for a good cause.
Yeah.
So, we got all that. We'll go get a little car wash, get some gas, and then by the time you guys see us again, we'll probably be cleaning up the shed because it is a literal nightmare.
Yeah.
Hit, bitch. So, we'll see you guys later. So, we're rolling up right now. There she blows, the shed. We're gonna be modding this shed completely out just so we can use it as a workshop and a hangout area. But this is where we're at. Here we are in the shed. So this will be one engine bay right here. We had a few parties in here, so we have definitely some cleaning up to do. There used to be a big tarp here. I'll put in like a little preview of the Ragers we've thrown in here.
Mama, would you like to be my sunshine?
But this will be another engine bay, and that room right there will be all of our tools will be. So we already got the tarp out. We got this out of the way so we can try to open this door. And I don't know when the last time we tried to open this was, but all right, guys. So you guys will have a time lapse of us cleaning this up a little bit. This is the other room that we're planning on putting all of our tools in. This room eventually might be a bathroom or something. We have no idea. This room is the most cursed room out of all of them. There's just installation and doors and all sorts of crap just everywhere. So we'll hit you with the time lapse.
All right, guys, we just got done with clearing this place out. We have everything that we need. We're just gonna use those 2 couches right there and there. We moved everything into this room. It's not good in these rooms right now, but we just needed to get it out. I mean, as you can see, it looks pretty rough in there. But basically the first engine bay that we're gonna have, this is the idea. We're gonna add those lights up there, move these couches to the wall facing that way, and just do some more sweeping because there's a little bit of trash over there. We got power everywhere. Outlets literally everywhere. All right, how's it going, buddy?
It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
So he's trying to figure out the door. So we got 4 of these lights. They are shop lights, 4 foot, 500 lumens. So that's a lot. It just should be fairly bright. I'll plug one in and let's just see. All right, let's see. Goddamn.
Yeah, that's just bright.
4 of them hoes in here. Everyone, so got 2 hooks in. Finally have kind of figured out what's going on.
Alrighty, guys, we got a light up. Hooked it up to that outlet over there. Pretty good. It's hella bright. Gonna get one over there, 3 feet across, one up there, then like one right there. We'll figure it out. We got another light up. We got 2 of them, and then we're putting another one right there, and there's gonna be another one right over here. So it's gonna be pretty light up in here. It's the luminescence of what, like 5,000 or something? 5,000 luminescence?
Yeah, each, I think. That's what it was.
But yeah, they're pretty bright. Got a little cleaning up to do and then be done for today. I think we're gonna work on it tonight after work.
And just like this, first car is coming into the engine bay. And just like that, we already got a car in this bitch. Got that shit in here? Yes, sir. So that was the next thing that we grabbed. Surround sound. We always need music in the shop or it's just not gonna be fun. So we'll see you guys later tonight. Got work, so we'll catch you guys after work, after an exhausting day probably.
I'm gonna.
How's your father now?
Alright, update y'all. That's looking so far. A little over halfway. We gotta put another layer. What's up, guys? So, right now, we're at my house grabbing some nails. The main thing we are at my house for is to grab this. That area in there needs a major cleaning, so we're gonna go ahead and clean. And we have one other thing we're doing, but we will see you there. Alright, what's up, everyone? So, I want to say a few things. Let me get out of my garage so it can stop beeping. A few things I want to say. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel because you do not want to miss these updates on the cars. Sneak peek of the truck. Anyway, you do not want to miss these updates on the cars and all that because this is going to be a wonderful little adventure. But we're heading up there right now. I'll see you guys when we get there. I just want to make sure you guys are subscribed. Share this to your friends if you guys like cars and trucks. We're constructing our own garage from scratch. We both bought these cars by ourselves. I'm heading to William Bradley's house and we're gonna go ahead and do some renovations. That's all I'm gonna say. We're doing some renovations to the shed, but the last clips that you just saw of us in the shed was about a week and a half to 2 weeks ago. We've done a lot since then, but today is the day we're doing some more renovations, and by the end of today, the shed's gonna look completely different. That's all I'm gonna say. So let me get off my phone and I will see you guys at the shed. We're here. We have a crowbar. Don't know what we need a crowbar for. I'm just kidding, we definitely do. But we should hopefully be getting some new tools today. What's up, guys? So we're back in the shed. I just bought a shit ton of fucking tools and a toolbox. All of this shit, 75 bucks. Hopefully we can get all of this shit vacuumed up. Gonna clean up this shithole of a corner. And we just need to get shit cleaned up. That's our main goal right now. So we're gonna have a little time lapse of us picking it up. Guys, so current status, got another toolbox that's going in this garage. It's pretty much a direct opposite of this one. So we got the 2 couches, toolbox, 2 couches, toolbox. To paint this black, get the lights in it, we're gonna end up taking this wall down, just transferring shit over, trying to get everything organized into each room. That's where we're at right now. All right, first step. We're just gonna, set up a little time lapse of this. So here you guys go. Get it. First, we already have a hole in the wall. Riley's about to kick this bitch down. Hello, sir? Hello. You're nuts. Are you nuts?
I was so close to dying. I was so close to dying. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Well,
my god.
I mean, it's open. One garage, it's direct mirror, bro. Look at that. We need to cut a bit more. We probably are gonna have to go to here, which we'll have to figure that out probably tomorrow because I'm about to dip, but we'll have to cut it just a little bit more and then we can definitely get 2 cars in here. So we'll get to that eventually. So I'll see you guys in the next one. And just like that, both cars are in the garage. It's a little interesting getting them in, but we'll figure it out.